Welcome back to my channel. Learn this makeup look and get to know me as well.
To my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Varsha. I am 31 years old. I am married and I am mother of 7-year-old boy. I do makeup videos. Why makeup related content and why did I choose to be a content creator first? So I'm a Viscom student. So I really have a love for media related things like scripting, directing, and I even love beauty related like content. I love to do my makeup. I'm very much into my skincare because you like if you see my skincare journey, I had a major transformation with my skin. So I am really into this. So I thought, why not including both? I make videos which can be helpful for people like me. So I was very skeptical at first because I have to manage my kid also. So he's studying, so how will I do that? No, then I gathered all the courage. No, I can do this. So I started posting videos like a month back. I think this is my, most probably when you see this is my, will be my second or third upload. So yeah, that's all. So for 10 long years, I was constantly doing something or the other. I opened a restaurant, then it didn't work. Then during lockdown, I did some jewelry business also because I wanted to do something or other just to not to be dependent too much on anybody. To lightly do my. This is such a nice tinted foundation if you don't want that heavy base. I'm just going to. Yeah, where was I? Yeah, I started like almost everything. Tried and tested many things, but nothing worked out. So then finally, I give up. Like मुझे अब तो कुछ नहीं करना है. Then for a good 1 year, I was looking back to my child, like उसका studies. Then now मुझे था कि नहीं कुछ तो करना है life में. So suddenly I took my phone camera and I started shooting videos which I'm very fond of because I love makeup and shooting. So please please let me know. Like makeup for me it's like aaj ka, like it's not from today. I like when I was in college and school also I love to dress up and make myself very presentable, if that's the correct form I'm putting. Yeah, like मुझे फैशन का इतना सेंस नहीं है बट यस आई लव टू dolled up and look presentable wherever I go. So from that my makeup journey started. And one more person I need to mention, Shreya Jain. Everyone knows her, the famous YouTuber. She was the first person from the YouTube I got to know more about makeup using banana powder because my cream base is done. So ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है. And one more interesting fact, I can like speak like three languages: Hindi, Tamil and English. हिंदी क्यों? क्योंकि मैं एक मारवाड़ी हूँ. आई एम अ जैन. तो मारवाड़ी आती है तो ऑब्वियसली हिंदी भी आती है. तो इंग्लिश सबको ही मतलब यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज है. तमिल, हाउ आई नो तमिल? बिकॉज आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम चेन्नई. So yes, I'm married to a Punjabi guy, but I'm basically from Chennai, so मुझे तमिल आती है. So all three languages में मैं वीडियो बना सकती हूँ. Just kidding, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a wing liner. I have to use mirror, sorry, because I cannot. नहीं अच्छा है actually. पहले इतना अच्छा विंग आता था, but now मेरे पास कोई दूसरा लिक्विड लाइनर भी नहीं है. एक्चुअली माई आईज थोड़ा अजीब सा है, तो मेरा हमेशा एक लाइनर ऊपर एक लाइनर नीचे ही रहता बिकॉज ऑफ माई आई शेप एंड आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ ओके. प्लीज़ डोंट गेट दिस आईलाइनर, ये सबसे बकवास प्रोडक्ट है। मैंने लास्ट मिंत्रा सेल से शायद लिया था ये। टाइट लाइन में आई।
I'm planning to do a shout out from my next video. Comment down any one of your favorite product and one memory you would like to share with me. The interesting memory will be get a shout out in my next
See,
video.
I have very thin liner eyebrow, so ज़्यादा मैं फिल नहीं करूँगी because it will look very fake मेरे फेस पे। Mascara, it will like instantly open my lashes. Oh,
If my story inspires you, then this is your sign of starting something new. If you are thinking of doing something in your life, if I can do it, even you can. It can be in any field. Just make sure you have the courage to start.
whenever I feel sad or I am feeling very low, I just grab my makeup pouch and I sit and do make. It's such a therapeutic thing to do, and I instantly feel charged up.
Makeup is something which makes me happy, which make me feel confident. I can forget the whole world when I just sit and do myself.
Stick glosses everywhere, but right now I'm not a gloss girly because I don't know why it feels me very chip chip in my lips. So अभी तक तो आई एम नॉट अ ग्लॉस गर्ली, फ्यूचर में देखेंगे। I'll tell you one hack. If you are a matte lover, matte lipstick lover, and still your bullet lipstick doesn't makes you feel fully like matte, so कोई भी एक white powder ले लो, just take little bit and dab. Yeah, I'm sure सबको ही पता ही होगा, फिर भी जिनको पता नहीं है, पाउडर से डैब कर लो, इंस्टेंटली वो स्टे भी हो जाएगा एंड इट विल लाइक मैट फिनिश भी इट विल गिव। सो या एंड फॉर
Highlighter makes your whole look from 0 to 100 in just a second. The glow it gives is unbeaten. So use good highlighter to highlight.
मैंने अभी लास्ट सेल पे लिया था जस्ट टू ट्राई। I just love turned out simple, fresh, dewy. You can carry this makeup like anywhere you want for a date night or a guest wedding look.
If you relate with my story, kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.